Right, let's do the review of the ZHIYUN CX100 because I'm actually quite excited for this review. Let's get into the video. First things first, let's open the box up. I should really get like a more professional unboxing knife. Everyone's got these fancy flip out knives and there's just me using a my little kitchen knife. Oh. Didn't even cut it properly. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna need that again. All right. You got your instructions as usual. And then here we have the actual, can I get out? Light. Oh, it's actually heavier than I thought it would be. What else do we have in the box actually before I open that? What's in here? Oh, so this is a diffuser. Aha. I see, and does that pop out or does that? Yeah, there you go. And I'm guessing that goes on top of there again, like that. We'll come back to that, but let's get the light. Oh. My first impressions. It's nice. I mean, it's very small compared to what I've normally used, like the light I'm using now. It's massive. I really don't know what to think about it. Right, let's turn it on. Let's see. Okay, so what have I got here? So I've got numbers on this side. Turn it on. Oh, something's happening. Right. It's gonna turn on. The dials do feel very plasticky. Right, how do you turn it on? You've got dials here for the amount of how bright you want it, and then this one is how much Kelvin you're gonna have. So you can have like up to 6.5, and the lowest is 2.7 K. Okay. The question is, how do you turn it on? You got the USB-C type for charging, I take it, and that's your main socket. Okay, so you can actually plug this into your main socket, which is, that ain't too bad, is it? But how do you turn it on? Right, hold the power on, single plus long press button to power. Single, long. And then turn that. Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh, that is bright. I did not expect that to be so bright. Wow. Is that brighter than, I think that might even be brighter than my, no, because that's got a diffusion on it. Let's see what if I put the diffusion filter. Ooh. Let's put this thing on it. Okay, try it anyway. This will go in there. There's a lock button here. Is that right? No. It's unlock. Oh, that's lock. It's not too bad, to be fair. Right, let's try it, turning it down to... Okay. And that's only on 20%. So if I turn that to 100, that's 100% and that 2.7K. But the thing that I want to find out is how loud it is when an actual fan just starts spinning inside, because that one, the light I'm using now, you can just hear it. And it's not like noticeable, but it's there. So let's see how this thing performs. So what I'm going to do is turn it on. Okay, maybe not. All right, single, long one, and then turn. There you go. I'll get the hang of it. Okay, leave on the highest setting and wait for the fan to turn on. Oh, the fan is going. It's quieter than the one I got above. Oh, that is so bright. I don't know if you can hear it. That's not too bad. I'm actually quite impressed. It does have 2 1/4" screw holes, so you can mount it to your tripods and your little accessories like so. But the one thing I would like it to have is an LCD screen, just to kind of like see what you're using basically. But I suppose when you just have it dangling on a tripod, you don't really watch what you're actually, you know, the percentages and everything that you're using. It gives you the battery percentage here, so you know when you're kind of running out. But apart from that, I think it's worth keeping. I switched you lot to my action camera because I wanted to show you like what I was talking about. So here is my rig that I set up for this. So I've got my Sony a7 III with a cage on it, and then I just mounted the light using a 1/4" screw. And I think like if you were doing outdoor stuff, or let's say videos in a nightclub or something like that, then this probably setup would actually be pretty sick, because you've got powerful enough light, and it's I don't want to say it's light, but it's not heavy. Like if you can manage to kind of shoot like this for good 20 minutes, I reckon, before your arm starts to kind of go dead. But that's not too bad. And of course you've got your controls here and everything, so pretty sick, right? Overall, I think it's not bad. It's definitely worth keeping. And like I said, I probably see myself using this on outdoor shoots, because it's small enough to go in the camera bag without taking too much space. Right, well, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you lot in the next one. Cheerio. I feel a bit blinded after this review. Ugh.